Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Silver Islet is a small historic community on the north shore of Lake Superior in the province of Ontario. Today it is a quiet place with only a small seasonal population, but in the late 19th century it was the site of one of the richest silver mines in the world. Located near the tip of the Sibley Peninsula, the area is known for its rugged shoreline, clear waters, and striking natural scenery. The village itself is modest, with a mix of cottages and historic buildings that reflect its past. The story of Silver Islet begins in the 1860s, when a vein of silver ore was discovered beneath a small rocky islet just offshore. At the time, extracting minerals from beneath Lake Superior was considered nearly impossible. Despite this, a group of investors saw potential and formed the Silver Islet Mining Company. By the early 1870s, they had constructed an ambitious system of protective walls and pumping equipment to keep the lake water out while they mined deep below the surface. At its peak, the Silver Islet mine was one of the most productive silver mines in the world. Between 1870 and 1884, it produced millions of dollars worth of silver. The operation required hundreds of workers, and a bustling community quickly grew nearby to support them. Homes, stores, a post office, and even a school were built, turning what had once been an isolated stretch of shoreline into a lively settlement. Life in Silver Islet during this period was shaped by both opportunity and hardship. The work in the mine was dangerous and physically demanding. Workers faced cold temperatures, constant noise, and the ever-present risk of flooding. Above ground, the harsh climate of Lake Superior added another layer of difficulty, especially during the long winters. Despite these challenges, the promise of steady wages drew people from across Canada and beyond. The success of the mine did not last forever. By the early 1880s, the cost of keeping water out of the mine began to outweigh the value of the silver being extracted. In 1884, after years of battling the lake, the mine was forced to close. Almost overnight, the population declined as workers and their families moved on in search of new opportunities. What remained was a quiet village, shaped by a brief but intense period of growth. In the years that followed, Silver Islet transitioned from an industrial hub to a seasonal community. Many of the original buildings were repurposed or rebuilt, and the area became a destination for visitors seeking the natural beauty of Lake Superior. Fishing, boating, and exploring the shoreline became popular activities, and the village developed a slower, more relaxed pace of life. Today, only a small number of people live in Silver Islet year-round, while others arrive during the warmer months to enjoy the landscape. The remains of the mining era can still be seen, offering a glimpse into the past. Old foundations, historical markers, and preserved structures help tell the story of a place that once stood at the forefront of industrial ambition in Canada. The surrounding region is part of Sleeping Giant Provincial Park, one of Ontario's most recognized natural areas. The park is named for the large land formation that resembles a giant lying on its back. This formation, known as the Sleeping Giant, stretches out into Lake Superior and is visible from many points along the shoreline. Its outline has become a symbol of the region and is tied to local Indigenous legends that speak of a spirit turned to stone. The presence of the Sleeping Giant adds a sense of scale and drama to the landscape. Rising high above the water, it creates a striking contrast against the vastness of Lake Superior. The lake itself is the largest freshwater lake by surface area in the world, and its cold, deep waters influence the weather and environment of the entire region. Sudden changes in wind and temperature are common, and the lake has long been both a resource and a challenge for those who live near it. Silver Islet offers a unique combination of history and natural beauty. It is a place where the remains of a once thriving mining operation sit alongside one of Canada's most iconic landscapes. For visitors, it provides an opportunity to reflect on the determination and ingenuity of those who came here in the past, while also enjoying the quiet and simplicity of the present. The story of Silver Islet is one of ambition, resilience, and the lasting impact of a brief but remarkable chapter in Canadian history. Thanks for watching!